If someone ever asks me, I can never say where I'll be. And people say that someday I will lose my mind.
Hi! Good day! Share ko sa inyo ang isa na naman naming project na natapos dito sa Parkside Villa. And today is our turnover day. So, samahan niyo ako at ituturo ko kayo dito sa aming natapos na condo unit project. Okay, so this is the unit. Ang scope pala namin sa project na ito is we did the full renovation. So, from the flooring to ceiling, and mga modular cabinets, kasama na rin yung electricals and some plumbing repairs. So here, on my left side, ito ang entry cabinet, no? There's some switch, yung shoes, at kung ano pang mga gamit na pwede nyo ilagay. And bibigsin ko ako. Okay. Accent wall and ceiling. And dito mapupunta ang dining table. So dito meron siyang switch para sa pendant light.
Wondering why is a waste of time. I am trying to figure why in my heart I still feel fire. Anything that has been done to fix it, or why it takes so long, why it takes so long, why it takes so long, why it takes.
And then on the other side of the wall, ito naman ang wall mirror. Square mirror from IKEA. Okay. And then on this side, this will be the living area. So dito ipipwesto ni owner kanyang sofa, and then facing the wall TV. So here we have the floating shelves. Ang switch niya dito rin sa side. Meron siyang maliit na switch for the accent light. And then we provided the provision for the TV outlet. And then this will be for the cables going to the, if you have some console game or any player na pwede mo lagay dito. So lagay mo dito yung cables and then nakatago siya sa likod ng wall. And diretso yung cables dito sa. Okay, so here we have drawer. And then drawer. Also another drawer. And we have also a switch here for the accent light. Doon naman sa baba. Okay. So now going here to the bedroom. Ito palang door na to. Before it was white door. And then pinaint namin siya ng parang magmukha siyang wood. So ito paint lang to. Okay, so when you go inside the bedroom now, ang gusto ni client is a platform bed. No, so especially pag nakatira ka sa condominium, kailangan mo ng lots of storage para sa iyong mga gamit. So, this is a platform bed. It's a bed and at the same time, storage na rin. So, dito mo lalagay yung mga extra gamit mo. So, marami siyang pwedeng malagyan. Also here. Now, on the side naman, ito naman is all drawers. Also here we have steps. So walang space na nasayang. lahat ng every square inch, meron siyang function. So, itong step, and then example lang sa headroom for the height of the client and also sa akin. And here we have we provided outlet din for your side lamps or pwede ka mag-charge ng iyong cellphone.
Of mine is ruled by fear. We almost found the elixir.
Okay, so from the bedroom, punta lang tayo sa kitchen. So, okay, and then ito, dinagdag namin itong counter na to. And then this will be the provision for the washing machine. And then on this side, provision for microwave. And then another cabinet. Drawers. And extra cabinet. And then here, ito naman para sa storage room or maid's room. And then meron siyang extra toilet here. Extra guest toilet. Okay.
And people say that someday you will lose your mind. They're always wondering why is a waste of time.
Well, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and hopefully naka-inspire ang video nito sa inyo. Thank you and God bless.